Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Kyndon Menteri Jangka Sorkar Jilla hakar pulai trik urusau arajar pausau. Kelaminjur yaki rule ban perking na kabentaban IY yaki Ïing jangkatan housing. Menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ubakmi ikatan housing Marcus and Marang habakaran syakilat patai kubor di Melawai ke Jingalang kebalong Resu Belpara North Garo Hills District ulo ong baka Sorkar Meghalaya kala Shna yaki Ïing Sorkar hamana ka district Jangka Jilla. Uloong haduk minta kempat don ke rule keban perking haka ba IY yaki Ïing balong try dekatan housing syakinong tray Sorkar kiba kambiang ke yok kakon ba syaki ba kamduna ke yok kakon.
Government also took up the rules for the allotment of rental houses, flats, quarters under the rental housing scheme to the government employees in Meghalaya, general public, bona fide citizens of Meghalaya. Housing Department now has decided to take charge of their assets, to evaluate their assets, and wherever necessary, they have put in place rules for the government quarters, and also have given the Department of Housing an opportunity to decide on what they need to do in their available land. I think Honorable Minister can brief you further on this matter.
Wherever in every district of the state, we have a housing property. The government of Meghalaya has already created. So these housing buildings owned by the housing departments have already, created the MIG, middle income group buildings, low income group buildings, and has already given a rent to government employees. We were not having any rules for that. Anybody who doesn't pay the rent, we don't have any rules to impose on them. If they don't pay the rules, we don't know. We don't have any rules based on which we can take action. So therefore, these rules today. So this is a rule to regulate the rental housings of the housing department.